Happy Valentine's Day, a day excitedly anticipated by some and dreaded by others. Finding a new investment can sometimes feel the same way, but regardless of your relationship status, I'm here today to present our 7 newly rated funds that hopefully catch your eye this Valentine's Day. We'll start with 3 equity funds. LIGHTMAN European is a rare breed in this day and age, as there's not many funds left that have a value strategy where the manager looks for bargain buys. This fund is all about being contrarian and going against the herd. The fund is fairly new and so far performance has been excellent. But it's been far from a smooth journey, and we expect the ups and downs to continue depending on whether the fund's style is in favor. But for investors who can stomach a bit of volatility, this could be a great option, especially if you're looking to balance out the style exposure in your investment portfolio. The PICTET Japanese Equity Selection Fund is a high-conviction strategy which favors larger companies that offer favorable growth prospects at a reasonable price. The fund focuses on Japanese businesses that promote good environmental and governance practices, and we believe it offers investors excellent geographic diversity to a region of the world whose recovery may prove to be a success story in years to come. JPM Global Equity Income is a core equity income fund that will invest all around the world, including in emerging markets. With the help of a huge global team of analysts, the managers filter down the whole market to a portfolio of 40 to 90 predominantly large and mega-cap companies, which are split between a balance of compounders, high yielders, and high growth opportunities. The managers pay close attention to risk, while the focus on dividend growth should give investors a growing income stream. Next up, we have 2 specialist equity funds. The AXA Framington Biotech Fund looks to tap into what is now one of the fastest growing subsets of the healthcare sector. The portfolio can invest globally but tends to have a bias towards the US, where most biotech companies are based. This sector requires a specialist focused teams with skills, experience, and a network to keep up with the changes that are taking place, and that is exactly what manager Lyndon Thompson and her team offer with this fund. Secondly, in the commodities sector, AMATI Strategic Metals has recently been awarded our Elite Radar badge. This fund provides a great portfolio diversifier that taps into a unique investment opportunity. It's a high conviction strategy which places great emphasis on the stages in which metals are in their cycle. The metals the team invests in have strategic importance to the global economy and future microeconomic trends, which includes gold, silver, copper, nickel, magnesium, lithium, and platinum. And finally, that brings us to our final 2 funds in the fixed income space. First is the Man GLG Sterling Corporate Bond Fund. This fund has a flexible approach, investing globally across different geographies and sectors. The focus is on investing in bonds issued by companies, but only those that have a margin of safety. This is achieved through a rigorous research of a firm's financials, and manager Jonathan Golan often finds many of his best ideas off the beaten path, and is not afraid to invest in small and medium-sized issuers as well. Last but certainly not least, we have the Elite Radar ARTEMIS Global High Yield Bond Fund, which invests in 60 to 100 issuers across the globe. It is comfortably one of our higher conviction options in the high yield market, and we like the unique approach behind this fund, with the managers taking advantage of the inefficiencies created by many of their peers, focusing heavily on the larger players in the index. This fund's approach focuses on the smaller and medium players, has allowed the managers to consistently find hidden gems, and help them to outperform. For more information on any of the 7 funds mentioned in this video, or simply stay up to date with all of our elite rated funds, please visit FundCalibre.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and interviews from our elite rated managers.